Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So, kini guys, ako lang ipakita ang porma sa yuta, no? Then, ako na sang silent ang audio. So, ang porma sa yuta guys, mao ni no, paingon sa ubos mo na muraga aksyo ga talinis. Mura siya ga buko-buko sa anay. So, it is interior lot. Mura siya interior guys, pero di kay mura interior yun siya, pero nasikandlat ni sa concrete road. So pero adto ta moagi primero aring may basketballan sa Barangay Tampaan, Aloginsan, Cebu. The size is 12,185 square meters, still a titled property. Titulado gihapon ni guys. Mani siya. So kapalikon kini nga tawo nga kuyog nato is the caretaker of the owner. The owner is living in Cebu City. Nasa Cebu City. So diri nga lugar guys, there are around more or less mga 10 to 12 households ang naa sa yuta guys. Mga 10 to 12 household ang naa sa yuta. So as per agreement by the owner, nga once if someone who buy their property, they will automatically evacuate or mahawa na sila, because they know already that it is really for sale. So diha ga start guys kini, nindot kani pwestuha guys kanang balayan ba, nindot kani kanang ari ka diri dapita dinhi no, kanang gibarugan na nga caretaker no. Ya mo na nindot kayo nimo balayan. So mura kag nag-overlooking gyapon na to the sea, perting nindot kanang yang gitudlo nga side. So tuwa pa na paingon sa ubos. So mura gid siya og kanang naay mountain ba, mura lagi giingon akong buko-buko sa anay ganun. So let's continue no, atong balik ko no. It's 12,185 square meters. It's a titled property. Nani inheritance, then they have already a kaning extrajudicial settlement of years. So ang nagbaligya ani guys is the third generation na. Silbi gikan sa apuhan, nay anak na ngamatay, so ang nagpuli ang mga apo. So mao ni nakanindot kay maklaro man nimo ang yuta niya kay kuan gyud sinunod ni nila guys. So usbon ko, it's their inherited property from their grandfather. So silang mga apo na sila'y gitawag og mga extrajudicial settlement. Nakoy copy, I have the copy. So this is a good listing guys, overlooking to the sea, then few minutes away from the beach or white sand beach in Hermit's Cove. And this is ideal for a mountain resort development guys. So binta ni kay gamay-gamay ra, and the package price is 250 pesos per square meter. So kini mga balay diri guys, the houses are temporary. So it's really temporary, kita man nato no, because they have already told by the owner that they will evacuate once there is a buyer. So manghawa gyud sila. So mao na guys, tutulan mi sa caretaker. The caretaker guide us to see the lot personally. So this is really a good listing no. As you can see, it's really overlooking to Negros Island, Toledo City, and some parts of Aloginsan. So mao ni siya guys. Actually the lot is really good for farming. So nindot sa siya, good for farming. So if we are going to see the lot or have a site inspection, we need to walk around more or less 100 meters or 150 or less than 100 from the concrete road. But as we can see on the site that it is really a second lot from the concrete road. So second lot ra gyud siya sa concrete road, guys. So nindot kay ni siya, guys. Kini mga balay sulod gyud na. These houses are inside of the property. But again, they have already notified that this is for sale, and if there is a buyer, or if there is one buyer that will buy to this property, they need to evacuate. So mohawa gid sila or mo evacuate sila. So mao na, guys, no. Improvements, mga tanom-tanom ra, guys. There are several coconut trees kana, duhang buok ra man siguro. Then there is avocado. I saw one avocado in the area. Then pomelo, so natibuongon. So mga tanom-tanom po sa mga tao. Then majority are planted by corn. So mao na siya, guys, no. So nindot kayo ni. So if you want Google Map, just message me at my Messenger or my Facebook account, Ninyo Humawas 14, at Ninyo Humawas 14. So mao na siya, guys. So nindot gyud kaayo ang atong property nga for sale, guys. Honestly lang. Water, electricity, signal is okay, no problem, no. Are okay. They is R din na, guys. Sorry ha. Kabantay jud ko sige la kung guys. Pero R ni, guys, R. Kay daghan man. So plural, dili singular. Gitay vocabulary da. So mao ni, guys, no. Mao ni ang tumoy. Katong makita na tumura siya ni tumoy kanang at the end. So ni gamay siya dire. Dinhi nga side, mao na ni ang pinaka kuan tumoy sa yuta. So at the end of the lot. Okay gini. Okay po ni siya, guys. Mas nindot sad ni siya gid. There is another small house. Ginagmay ra ilang balay, guys. Dili ngon dinagko nya. Kuan ra puro ra mga light materials. They just only use light materials. So maara gini ilahang kuan, kanang tanom, mga saging. So mabuhi gyud. Ako na luya-luya na gid kuan kay katinita sa tanan. Kasi so mao ni siya, guys. Mao na ni ang pinakatumoy. So the end unit, the end part of the land. So mao na gitudlo sa caretaker dito, no. Nindot kayo, overlooking gid na siya. So dirita sa concrete road atong gitan-aw, no, asa ang lutin. Akong gitudlo, no, si kanlat ra gyud siya, guys. Makita ra gyud nimo ana. Provincial road ba ni? So kana mo na nang luti. Si kanlat ra gyud siya. May nakanindot ani. Kanang sa ubos, so muhangyo lang tani yung taan is kilid. Awa na. O kana. Kanang patag diha, guys, kana the flat one. Si kanlat ra gyud. Si kanlat from the concrete road. So pwede anha ta moagi diretso pasaka sa ibabaw. Thank you.